Nagpipicture si ate. Alam mo naman si ate. Visiting all the churches in the Philippines. That's her goal.
One, two,
Mary Immaculate.
picture tayo.
Girls, if you still remember your civics,
No, I don't.
why did Spanish colonize Philippines?
Because for their minerals
What else?
and they have the mercantilism.
What else? Ate, why did Spanish colonize Philippines? Babagsak.
Execute.
What? What did they do? To spread what?
Spread Catholicism,
What?
Christianity.
Yes,
They
exactly.
spread the Christianity.
Yeah, they spread Christianity here in the Philippines. And Baclayon Church is one of the church that they built. No, Baclayon.
Taro, bakla.
Yeah, Baclayon. Ay, bakla. Yun. Sino bakla yun?
Ikaw.
See? Ano ate? What ate?
Ito sa may lola.
For your lola.
Oh, may small.
Sure, yes, yeah.
Talaga.
Oopsie ate, careful please.
Sige.
Sorry.
Ring, gold. This one.
Go ate. To the left. Here ate. There. Go.
It's the Lubbock River. And then, this is it line.
When? Hold lang, hold.
Ready? 1, 2, ready, go!
It's definitely ate. Ate! That's ate and Gwen. Sa taas pag papunta, later pabalik sa baba sila. That's definitely ate, maingay eh. Sumisigaw. I think that's Gwen. Gwen goes first. Gwen! 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 O si Gwen nga. And ate. Ate!
That's it.
Hungry na daw sila eh.
I knew that it's you. You're so noisy. You scream so loud. I knew it.
Cream.
You didn't. Ate is so loud.
Water.
Ah, okay. Cold water.
With ice.
Okay, Daddy, cold water daw. Man-made forest.
Go here, here.
Ganda, no? Sing! Walk river through Sugar Island.
Eat on the boat.
Yes, you're gonna eat on the boat. While cruising in the Lubbock River, this is Lubbock River. Isn't it cool?
I did not expect
Oh, you will definitely enjoy it, anak. Yeah, there's free food.
Free?
Free, yes. It's included. Yeah, it's free. Someone's very excited. Gwen said they didn't expect her to. What, ate? What did you say?
Chicken.
It's their pork. Ate said it's their pork.
I'm special.
You are special. We are special.
That's why I'm in the middle.
Yeah, okay, sure. Or like a spot. Ooh. Ooh. Shrimp agad. Is this kare-kare? I don't know. It's get a barbecue. Ate. Go.
May chicken ate.
Puto. I like puto. Just wait, ate. Hapon. Hintayin ka po. Just get what you can lang. One is enough. Later na natin. With you. Just get what you can eat. Good job. Ate, eating? You like the food, ate? You can get more, Gwen. You like the chicken, ate? Diet ka, ate? Hindi. Guys, clap! Clap naman, guys. Clap. That's up for another round. Ate, daddy. Ate, what did you get? Huh? What did you get? Chicken. Ah, chicken again. Oh, ate get another chicken. So cute. Uy, ate, you know that song, right? You know that song, right? That song! You know that song, di ba? Let's go.
So you're a mammal?
Yeah, we're mammals. Because we have mammary glands. Drinking. What's that? Meron. What? Oh, there's a tarsier. There.
It's Sarah.
No. Kamaingay. Ate. Don't scream. Magigising ang tarsier. Quiet.
Ate.
The tarsier is wearing cap. You can see ate. Oh, so cute. Two tarsiers. No, three. Three tarsiers. super cute. We're going up there. Look. So nice. Come on, continue walking. Come on, go up. So nice. Ang ganda.
Smoke alarm. Hi, kid. Smoke alarm in Australia.
Not yet. Guys, your Civics.
Civics tour.
Why is it called Chocolate Hills?
Why?
Question number 1.
Because it looks like Atis poop. Green and it's made of chocolate pieces.
It's like chocolate
On
kisses.
the heat of the sun.
Yeah. What is the color when it's summer?
Pink. Brown and green is of the heat of the sun.
Yeah, it's brown when it's mainit.
Kidding.
Dati di pantay.
Isang araw.
Here. Smile. Huwag na, huwag ka din.
Dito na sa atras ako sa nakita yung grade. Dito ka ayaw ba dito? Tinatawagan ko na nito papakita ko. Shadow ka na, girl. Dito ka tayo naman. Makita ang background?
1, 2. Kita tabi.
Going down, down, down. So beautiful. Gutom na after the tour. Hi, babe. After tour, gutom na. Ate, kain ka muna, ate. We're waiting for your pizza.
The vegetables I don't.
What, when?
Remove the vegetables I don't like.
They don't eat it. They don't eat.
But eat the salad, ha? You're eating salad naman.
Ano yun? Pizza oh.
Yeah. That's her order. She asked for it.
Am I allowed to guess?
Yeah, you are. Get me nga rin.
Sarap, ate.
Yes, Granny. Don't need to ask permission. Oh.
Wow! Oh, yan ang kapate. Ito talaga, binigyan na yan. Binigyan na yan. May reklamo pa. Tsaka nag-wash kami ng hands si ate. No, ikaw yung hindi, girl.
I did! When I did.
When is yours?
Tinikman mo na lahat, ah. Pasta, lemon scampi. Ate, eat ka na, ate.
But I didn't order too
Ikaw?
much because I already know all of y'all's order.
Kaya nga, tomorrow naman yung iba. Si ate, ang demure kumain ngayon, oh. Parang nung nakaraan mo, ikaw yung malakas kumain. Ngayon, ikaw itong demure. Katie, may nag-umawi-wawi? Ha? Uy, soft arm. Free lang, ha? When? Free prawn. Buttered ba? It's dragon fruit and chives. Cute. Ate, nahihirapan siya.
Small one. Very inside.
Natatakot kasi ko yun. You can get in, babe.
Hindi naman nambabait yung rabbit.
Mukhang tamad.
You didn't get more nga, nag-aagawan sila. Oh.
Do you want more, anak?
Ate, this one. No, this one.
Kawawa naman,
Ito,
Bibo.
nag-aagawan sila. Go. Go, give ate. Give one more. One more.
Pinupuntahan si Ate.
Klasiko. Away sa papa.
Nag-aaway talaga sila.
Oo.
Give ka nga
You
one
want
more. Ang
more?
cute nilting nun. Go inside.
Ingatan mo para malaglag yan.
Go.
Sa gitna.
Hold. Go. Hold.
Takpan mo muna.
Hold. Hold mo muna.
Sasa pala. Here, you can sit down here.
No, it's dirty. Try poop.
Okay.
Isa pa. Go. Isa ka. Hawak mo.
Oh! It's okay. It's okay, Bunso. Heavy daw, Daddy, heavy. Daddy's heavy daw.
Bigat, diba? Bigat, diba?
Nasa-arms ko yung ano. Kuya! Kuya, help! Nasa-arms ko.
Uy, nag-send ka.
Ay, nasa-head ko rin! I have so
Okay.
It's calling you.
Jenny, give mo nga yung small one. Kawawa naman. Oh, sino pa ulis bo?
Move. Hindi. Hindi.
Gwen. Lagod ko ano.
Ha?
Sa dentist. Ng morning.
Ang cute ng mga sheep dito, oh.
Sige.
Kaysa sa Bay Farm, mas cute dito. Ate, kinakausap mo pa
Their
yung mga
horns are so long. If you see, it's
Yeah.
gonna poke their eye.
Ayaw niyo mag-ano? Horseback?
No, hindi ikaw. Gusto mo? Yun ang gusto malaki.
Mom, nice and clean.
Yay! May lunch na kami. Uy, ang laki! Uy! Uy, ang laki nun. Let's go!
Good job, guys. Cash lang, kuya.
Ito, may 500 ako dito. 1.3 kilos and then anong luto natin?
Iwalay natin sa kanila. Pengi 500.
Sweet and sour.
Hindi, may...
Dinner! We're here at Alana Beach. Dito ka muna ate. Ay, there's ate.